My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2013 Mercedes E-Class with a convertible roof. This is a diesel vehicle. It has done just over 70,000 miles and it has an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control,
cancel,
as well as cruise control. By pressing these buttons here, we can get quick access to navigation, as well as Bluetooth. We have heated seats on either side. And inside here we can control the convertible roof. We have electric seats on either side, as well as automatic headlights. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.